So August, we actually have an exercise to select investment team for the semester. So we actually came together as a group and see, you know, what are the investment team we should keep a lookout for the next 6 months. Of course, at that point in time was for the second half 2020. In September, we actually did a revision on business analysis. So again, what are the steps to look out for when we analyze a business? Okay, so usually in one semester, I'll try to get invited speakers to share with us different areas, different topics. So I got one of my friend to come in to share on the options trading. Again, all this is not encourage you to do, you know, options or margin or whatever. But end of the day, you know, it's good to understand the whole investment ecosystem. And of course, November, same thing. We usually at the last session, we actually did some reflection exercise. Then we played some Kahoot games, again to reinforce some of the investment gathering. As I promised, we actually have a table of what number one is what we call investment grade stocks. So total in SGX, we have about 700 counters. So we have actually sieved out 200 of them. We call it investment grade counters, which basically, you know, pass the 6 tests, or either that, you know, of certain size, okay, so on and so forth. Okay, so there's certain criteria. So again, if you need to, you can go to website for the specific criteria. Then what we do here is this: we actually do valuation. So in this case, we have the DCF done, and we have been regularly updating the DCF. Okay, so of course, we also played the portfolio game. So this is the one whereby you all break up into groups and actually discuss what the stocks you may actually want to consider for that particular month. And I'm very happy to say that now, wow, can you see that for the last 6 months, since they started in August, they have actually made a 20% growth in their portfolio, or 20% growth in portfolio. I'm actually quite proud to actually say that I think we have played this portfolio game for the past 10 years. If my memory don't fail me, over the past 10 years, we are always talking about profit, at least for then whatever that is left over, we will based on voting, we will donate the leftover funds. So for the last semester, these are the 3 places we decided to donate to: Osasco Senior Citizen Home, 365 Cancer Prevention Society, and Cheng Hong Welfare Society. So we divide this amount equally into 3 parts and donate to them. So once again, really thank you so much for participating and, you know, able to make us do this donation. So I must say, you know, really going down and donate, you know, I do learn a lot, and it actually gave me a very new perspective to investment as well. So really thank you so much for keeping this whole spirit alive. We actually learn together, make money together, at the same time also, you know, help what we do with the rest together. So once again, thank you very much.